How to save payment method on Zara. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you save payment method on Zara. What you want to do is first thing first, open the Zara app onto your device. Once you're logged into your Zara app, what you need is you simply want to go ahead and tap onto the profile initials from the bottom right corner of the screen. There, you just want to make sure to go ahead and locate payments here. If you cannot find one, you could just go to my details section as well. There you have payment. You want to tap that out. You have not added, since I've not added, so you want to select add. You can select one of these options, whether it's Visa, Mastercard, Amex, gift card, whatever. You want to select that out, add in the card details, and you could go and save it. And that's how you're supposed to save payment method on Zara. And for some reason, if you're not able to add in, it could be due to an issue with the bank or relating with the payment as well. Might want to change the payment or might contact the bank or customer care itself. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.